Stop wasting time on repetitive tasks and start focusing on what truly matters. Introducing Calorie Snapshot, the easiest and fastest way to track your calories and macros. No more tedious logging or complicated calculations. Our innovative approach simplifies your journey towards your goals, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or improved health. As soon as you set your daily calorie target, our AI will analyze and recognize your meals, providing you with an instant nutrition breakdown. Witness your progress with our visual day-to-day goals shown in color-coded progress bars. Esli Review, add, detail, and delete your past meal entries in the historical meal log. Don't worry about committing to a specific target. You can update your goals anytime through the easy goal editing feature. What sets Calorie Snapshot apart is our unique daily reset functionality. Every day is a fresh start. No more resetting or correcting yesterday's data. With just one tap, you maintain consistent habits and make better food choices throughout the day. Our dedicated responsive support team is here to assist you. Simply contact us via email and we'll get back to you within 24 hours. But that's not all. Calorie Snapshot offers a suite of additional features designed to support your journey. Our AI nutrition coach provides personalized guidance, while the weekly summary and personalized recommendations keep you on track. Plan ahead with tomorrow's meal planning. Stay motivated with daily motivation quotes, get a weekly progress overview, and gain insights from weekly summary and weekly macro distribution. We understand the importance of simplicity and accuracy. That's why we've eliminated the need for food weighing, measuring, or complicated tracking. Calorie Snapshot's AI technology does the heavy lifting for you, freeing you to enjoy delicious meals without the stress of precise measurements. Are you ready to take a smart and effortless approach to your health and fitness goals? Visit our website, caloriesnapshot.com, and start your journey today. Your goals are within reach.